surgery robots are changing the way surgeons operate on patients. Brightlight produced an immersive gala for the opening of Sutter CPMC's new Van Ness campus. As part of the surgery floor of the gala, we designed and created an interactive experience that helped guests understand the benefits of robotic surgery through competitive gameplay. This robotic surgery simulation allowed guests to select from one of 3 surgeries to perform digitally on a multi-taction surface using a custom fabricated fiducial control. The installation used their Bluetooth wearables to personalize the experience for each guest. Custom 3D graphics showcase different tools a surgery robot would use, and guests were able to use the different ones to complete their various tasks. Guests were guided through surgical tasks while keeping track of vital signs of their patient and operating against the clock. The tasks varied by surgery but were medically accurate to show how precise robotic surgery can be. Guests performed a total of 256 surgeries over the course of the evening, spending an average of 10 minutes each engaging with the game. In the end, the robotic surgery simulation successfully communicated the value of robotic surgery for the hospital and gained interest from over 1,000 donors.